Thank you for watching another JMD Janitorial tutorial. In today's video, we're going to cover how important it is to disinfect and properly wipe down the partition doors in a restroom. As always, whenever you're working or cleaning, you always want to make sure that you have on your proper PPE. That's going to be your gloves, preferably nitrile gloves, and make sure that you have on the proper eye protection. You may have one of your customers, they may have multiple stalls, such as the one that we're in now, or they may even only have a few stalls. But it is very important as you disinfect the entire restroom that you also disinfect the doors. We're going to use a product featured by Spartan. It is a one-step disinfectant. It is HDQ. At JMD Janitorial, we use a color-coded rag system, microfiber cloths, and this will help prevent cross-contamination. So without further delay, we're going to begin this tutorial by wiping down and disinfecting the partition doors. Start with the top and work your way down to the bottom. Haven't done so already, now will be a good time to hit the subscribe button, to like, share, even post a comment or two. Thank you for tuning in and watching today's video and this tutorial. Hopefully it will help you to be more professional and keep your customers satisfied.